Dear Ellen, almost every hour, tinatanong ako ni Papa, anong oras ang dinner? Ellen, minsan parang test na ng pasensya. Pero gusto ko siyang unawain. Bakit ganito? Ano ba pwede kong gawin para hindi maubos ang loob ko? From Ana ng Quezon City. Ana, una-una, I hear you. Kapag may dementia, nagkakaroon ng short-term memory loss and communication breakdown. So yung tanong na paulit-ulit, hindi dahil sa pasaway sila. Hindi nila maalala, tinanong na nila ito. Don't say, I already told you that. Mas okay if you say, oh, dinner is later. I'm also excited. Or an echo technique, you wanna know what dinner is? It's at 6, Papa. Tone matters more than your content. So like assuring. But the problem is sometimes when people do not know, they just like, oh gosh, I already told you that later tonight. The more you show frustration, the more that they would feel the discomfort. So the more that they're gonna say the same thing. Subukan mo magalit, uulitin na nila ulit yan. But when you smile, maybe that would say, they would make them feel assured.